How to uninstall or reinstall the GoGift web app or shortcut. To uninstall the GoGift web app or shortcut, first find its icon on your desktop or in the Start menu. Right-click on the GoGift shortcut icon and select Delete. To uninstall via the Start menu, find the GoGift app, right-click on it and select Uninstall to remove the app. If you want to reinstall GoGift as a progressive web app, open your browser and click the menu, 3 dots at the top right. Look for apps or installed apps in the menu. Find GoGift in the list, click the 3 dots next to it, then select App. Inside that, choose Install this site as an app or Add to desktop depending on your browser. Follow the prompts to add the GoGift web app shortcut back to your PC for easy access. Now you know how to uninstall and reinstall the GoGift web app or shortcut on your PC easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more shopping tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.